From this video we shall see some of the multiple choice questions based upon artificial intelligence. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. You plan to use face to detect human faces in an image. How does the service indicate the location of faces it detects? Option A pair of coordinates for each face including the center of the face. Option B, two pairs of coordinates for each face indicating the location of the eyes. A set of coordinates for each face defining a rectangular bounding box around the face. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is a set of coordinates for each face defining a rectangular bounding box around the face. This is which is used in case of an biometrics. You plan to use a set of images to train an object detection model and then publish the model as a predictive service. You want to use a single Azure resource with the same key and endpoint for training and prediction. Which kind of Azure resources should you create? Cognitive services, custom vision, computer vision, all of the above. The right answer is cognitive services. Which of the following results does an object detection model typically return for an image? Option A class label and probability score for the image. Option B, bounding box coordinates that includes the region of the image where all of the objects it contains are located. A class label, probability and bounding box for each object in the image. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option C. A class label, probability and bounding box for each object in the image will result an object detection model typically. What is one aspect that may impair facial detection? A. Glasses. B. Extreme angles. C. Fast shutter speed. D. None of the above. The right answer is extreme angles. You plan to use the computer vision services read application program interface. What results can the read API provide? A. Results arranged in pages, lines and words. B. Only the bounding box coordinations. C. Results arranged by pages that have photographs first, then the pages that inclusively have text. D. All of the above. The right answer is results arranged in pages, lines and words. You want to use the language service to determine key talking points in a text document. Which features of the service should you use? Sentiment analysis, key phrase extraction, entity detection, all of the above. The right one is key phrase extraction. You want to extract text from images and then use the language service to analyze the text. You want developers to require only one key and endpoint to access all of your services. What kind of resource should you create in your Azure subscription? Computer vision, cognitive service, language, all of the above. The right answer is cognitive services. You plan to use The form recognizer pre-built receipt model. What kind of Azure resources should you create? Computer vision resource, form recognizer or cognitive service resource? Only form recognizer resource, all of the above. The right answer is form recognizer or cognitive services resource. You are using the form recognizer service to analyze receipts that have scanned into JPG format images. What is the maximum file size of an JPG you can submit to the pre-built receipt model? 2 MB, 50 MB, 200 MB, all of the above. The right answer is 50 MB. The file size, the maximum should be of 50 MB. You use the language service to perform sentiment analysis on a document and a score of 0.99 is written. What does this score indicate about document sentiment? A. The document is positive. B. The document is neutral. C. The document is negative. D. All of the above. The right answer is the document is positive. These are the few questions of artificial intelligence. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends, gain the knowledge and rule the world.